Winter weather has taken a harsh turn for the Washington, D.C. area, as a cold front brings freezing temperatures and snow to the region. Let's take a look at what you can expect and how to prepare. Starting this weekend, the D.C. area will feel the impact of a polar vortex pushing in from the north. With temperatures plunging to well below freezing, the region is in for a dramatic drop in conditions. Expect highs only reaching the low 20s and wind chills making it feel even colder. The snow will start falling Saturday evening, with several inches expected to accumulate by Sunday morning. This cold front brings not only snow but dangerous wind chills, which could make the temperature feel like the single digits, even below zero in some areas. If you're heading out, make sure to bundle up. Frostbite can set in quickly in these extreme conditions. Roads are expected to be slick, with icy conditions making travel dangerous, especially overnight. If you don't have to be out, stay safe inside. Public transportation is expected to experience delays as well, so plan ahead. While these cold conditions are challenging, they also offer the opportunity to enjoy the winter season. So if you're staying indoors, make the most of it, with cozy blankets and hot drinks. Just remember to be cautious outdoors. If you must leave the house, wear layers and take extra care on slippery surfaces. This winter storm will be a reminder of the unpredictability of weather, but with the right precautions, you can stay safe and warm. Stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll keep you updated with the latest forecasts. Thanks for watching.